Good morning, friends. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use comments in CSS. Commenting is in CSS is very easy. Let us open VS Code. Let's delete this code. Delete this CSS also. Now open a HTML boilerplate. Shift exclamation tab. How to use comments in CSS. H1 tag. Using comment in HTML and CSS. Let us learn both. Though I have a lecture where you have learned how to use comment in HTML. It is very simple. There is a shortcut called control forward slash. See, we want to comment out this line HTML. This is HTML. Control forward slash. This is comment out. Now you want to write the comment line first, then you want to write, say, control forward slash. Let me tell you again, control forward slash, and then write how to use CSS comments in CSS. So this is actually we learned commenting in HTML. Now let's go to the style. Say for example, you want to write comment here and differentiate every CSS code. Control forward slash. Here, see, for CSS, if you press control forward slash, it gives the CSS commenting style. Now, universal selector. If you comment something, it will not be displayed in the browser. Say, open in live server. We did not write anything actually. P tag, write something, lorem 300. Now see, we see only the content inside the p tag. We don't see any comment because comment is comment out already. View what wrap. So these lines are commented out, so we will not see in the browser. And in style sheet also, suppose this code is is written and this identification is commented out. Suppose for example we want to comment this control forward slash commented out. Now if we want to comment manually, forward slash asterisk CSS comment asterisk forward slash. So this line is commented out. Now if you want to write CSS code body BGC background color red, so this CSS will be displayed. Let's see, we did not include the style, or we can give an inline CSS here, style equal to background BGC background color red. Let's see, it becomes the background color of this becomes red. So we here we used inline CSS. Now if we want to use external CSS, we have to link the CSS file. Our CSS file is here. Let's delete it. We have linked CSS style.css. We have linked the CSS file. Now write some code body bgc olive. That's all. See, whole background color of the body has been changed. So this is the way we can add comments. Now if we comment out this, select control forward slash, we have commented out. Now see, the background color of the body has been removed. So dear friends, thank you very much. I hope you are through of learning CSS. Thank you very much.